Welcome back, you guys, to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial. We're really just going to be focusing on the eyes. As you guys can see, I've already done one eye, so I wanted to show you guys how I did it so that way you guys had a reference point. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this tutorial. We're going to be using the Norvina palette. I did just purchase this, and I did do a full-on swatch and review, which I will link right up here for you guys. But to begin this look, I already have concealer on my eye. I am using the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I am in the shade Light Medium Neutral. And the eye is tacky. I did not set it. I wanted to try something a little bit different today. So that is what we're going to work with. We're going to work with a tacky eye, and we're going to start off with the very first shade. So the very first shade we're going to be starting off with is called Incense, and I'm going to be taking that right here into the crease area. It is going to get a little patchy at first, but I do find that these colors blend out really nicely. So let's start. We are now going to be moving into the next color, which is called Passion, which is their deepest shade in the palette. And we're going to be taking it on the Morphe M562 brush right here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right in the crease area, and then I'm going to flick it outward. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start carving everything out. I feel like that was pretty simple. Now we're just going to get into the carving. Once we carve everything out, if you have any sort of patching like I do right in the center, it's okay because you're not even going to see it after this. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit of loose powder underneath my eye area because it does tend to fall when we start going in with the next color. We are going to be taking the shade Drama, and we're going to start on the outer corner, and we're actually going to be using an angled brush. This one here is by SIMGA. It is the smalled angle brush. It's the E65, and we're going to create a wing, and we're going to take it halfway in. We're going to create a gradient effect with the purple shadows. And then right along the edges, I'm going to go in and just kind of feather it so it blends easier with the next color. Next color I'm going to be taking is called Celestial, and I'm going to put that right in the center of the eye. I will be using a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to make sure that it intensifies just a little bit more. Now just go ahead and clean off that same exact brush, and now you're going to go in with the shade Wild Child, and we're going to put it right on the inner corner. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set the concealer that is between the two shadows. That way I can work on the crease area a little bit more and then go in with the liner. So for glitter today, I'm going to be taking these new products by Pop Beauty. These are their Flash Shadows. These are their liquid eyeshadows, which are very similar to the Stila Magnificent Metals, except I find these to be a little bit easier to work with because they don't have as much chunkiness to them. Just taking it on the back of my hand, I'm going to take a little bit of a liner brush and I'm just going to dip right into it. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the Collab Beauty Bold Faced Liner. This one is just in Drama Queen. I'm going to run it on my lower lash line and take it down just a little bit further as well. I'm going to take the shade Volatile and blend out that black liner. And then to be a little bit more extra, we're going to go in with some glitter, and I'm going to pop that as well using a little bit of glitter glue to hold it all in place on the inner corner. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with Intensity Impactful Dramatic Lash Mascara by Mally. Alright you guys, so I already finished up the face, which I did like an IG tutorial, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll have that edited and thrown up for you guys as well, and you guys can see the products I used. But for contour, of course, I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, just to kind of keep it in line. And then to apply just a little bit of blush, I'm going to go in with the Sigma Cora de Rosa blush. This one is so beautiful. It is so pretty for the summertime, you guys. For lips, we're going to go in with this Maybelline lip liner. This one here is in the shape Magnetic Mauve. For lips, I'm going to be taking this liquid lipstick from LUNCATIC Cosmetics. And then you guys know how much I love a lip gloss. So, of course, I'm going to throw on some lip gloss. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. This one I want to say is in Dusty Lilac. So I just received this highlighter. This here is the new GLAMGLOW Glam Powder Hyaluronic Acid Infused Glow Palette. I did feature this in my PR unboxing that I did for Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys do after you're done with this video. All right, you guys, so that there is my entire look using the Norvina palette. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this look right here. I wanted to do something dramatic. I wanted to do something very glittery because everything I see Norvina do is different. It's just very fun. It's really cool, and I was very inspired to do something, and you guys know how much I love purple, so I was so excited to use this palette. So anyways, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe before you guys head out, and I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.